Hello everyone. Final feast before Lenga is a married woman. Yeah, might as well. Talofa and welcome to another vlog with the Vee family. Say hi, babe.
What's going, fams?
Today my baby sister's getting married, so we thought we'd vlog it. Well, hopefully we're gonna try to. Right now we're on our way to the venue. We got the signs, we got the cake. We gotta go put the cake together, so we gotta be there earlier than everyone else. But yeah, I'm so nervous because it's gonna be our first time putting together a 6-tier. But it's not even just a 6-tier. We're gonna add 2 clear acrylic tiers, so it makes it an 8-tier. So there's a lot of firsts happening with this cake, so I'm so nervous, and put on top my whole family's gonna be there.
Yeah, but you wifey's actually good under pressure. It's funny, like she's always anxious, but under pressure is when you do your best.
But it's not a nice feeling. My heart is beating so fast. I'm so anxious. I just want to get this cake set up, have it standing there, and just be like, you know, it is what it is once it's up there. But I hate the lead up to it because I'm so nervous. I wish I was there with my sister getting ready, but my other sisters are there, so I want to come. I have a few, need to check the seating plans. I think my dad's having problems because we changed a few people around, and I think I confused them. So we got to put up the signs, get the cake done, check out that everyone has a proper seat, because you know, islanders, some people, they think they can just rock up to events, but no, we pay per head. Please understand.
Yeah, a lot of people, like, if you've ever done an event, you know the amount of work that it takes to do anything, whether it's a birthday, wedding, whatever. And so when you get invited, it's actually quite a big thing.
It's an honor.
It's an honor to be, especially because it's a lot of money and a lot of preparation. So, but when you, some people just think that you could come, not come, go. It's like,
I know, like, oh, sorry, I'm not coming. Oh, do not be that person.
do that.
So yeah, we're gonna, hopefully we got our numbers right and no one is left without a plate to eat. Babe, it's gonna be on YouTube vlogging most of today because
Wow. Oh, what was I gonna say? I was gonna say, wow, you guys can come with me, man.
I'm gonna be the stress head that's gonna be running around. Hopefully it's not as stressful.
Oh, shout out to my mom.
Yes. Oh yeah, if you wonder where the boys are.
Shout out to my mom and my sister. They well, we took my mom picked them up last night, so that me and Trish could finish off the cakes and do other little things, and then even today, so we can get ready and prepping. And my mom's gonna drop the boys off when the wedding actually starts. So if you have a mom like that, make sure you always give her that bingo money, bro.
Honestly, lifesaver. Like, even today was just a go. If anything went wrong, would be so late. So we're so grateful that the kids are out of our head. We don't even have to think about it. We sent them off, and we're just gonna see them at the wedding.
We do that a lot. Where, like, if you make one mistake, or if you if it takes
like
too long,
snowballs everything else.
No, but a lot of times when we do that, we sort of still make it, but we always cut it close.
Too close for my
risk
liking.
takers, mate.
I do not want to be a risk taker today.
We're risk takers.
Not today.
Belly up, right?
We are here.
Am I driving fast, man?
I know, slow down, man.
Yeah, that's. Maybe I shouldn't have had the coffee there.
Oh my gosh, the camera's so blurry. Here we go. The first bottom 3 tiers are going. Careful, babe, that is so heavy. Look how beautiful it is.
You guys missed it, but wifey just put the. What's it called, babe?
The
Clear acrylic thing. Gives it that sort of invisibilization sort of thing. Right now it's a bit nerve-wracking because there's 2 cakes. There's the other cake over there, our cake. Why not battle, G? Why not battle? This is yeah, this is the right there. Cherish's sister and brother-in-law now. Let's go. How many? Oh, nearly fell off. How many have we got already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are we going for? 8. 2 more. Damn, I'm scared. Should we move it where it's meant to be now? Oh, it's gonna be here? Okay, see. Me and wifey, we're still having a battle with these guys. There's a bit of friendly banter. Look at the man. You gotta get that close up so you can see the detailing, you know? Yeah, the vibes. Oof. That's 7 now, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. That is hectic. We are now ready, and
It's about to go down.
yeah, everyone's here, or pretty much everyone. The boys are still not here yet, but
Waiting for the boys to get dropped
yeah,
off.
I'll give you a bit of a peripheral view. Is that how you say it?
We're not the best place to talk.
Yeah, true. The speaker.
Outside, yeah.
I don't know if you could hear us when I was inside of Cherish, but like we said, it's starting. Majority of the people are here now. The wedding and the ceremony and the reception is all at one place, like what I was showing you. So yeah, we're still waiting for the boys. This is where the wedding's at. This is what my wife stayed up late doing. That's mad. Look at that. That's mad. Look at that. That's nice. This is Cherish's dad. Have anything to say before we start? Nervous?
The bridal party is finally here. Venga acá a la escuela aquí. Oh my goodness.
Get in there, bruh. How are you, my brother? Oh, they're waiting for. Oh, I think he's coming. Brother, how many spare bottles you got in there? Oh, yeah, the red carpet. Here comes the bride. Part of the camera crew. Also, got some experience.
Lisa's mom. We would like to take this opportunity just to offer you and give you Lena, Kristen, and Malina, to be your companion in life, to be your soulmate, to be your best friend, and to be your married wife. After you.
There she goes. Not the awkward handshake. The moment she's been waiting for.
What's it called? Fallout today?
Ace, Mark, Julia, Days, University, Valley, and
Woo! Bye. Again! It's time to make a legit.
No turning back now.
No.
No turning back now, Matt. It's official. Right now. For the family. All the kids in that. Hey! Come on, Dan, let's single. Come ready to mingle. You see Linga get married?
Yeah.
No, you don't. Where are you?
I'm there.
Oh, we're standing there.
Yeah, I'm standing next to the door.
Alright, nice. Say what's up to our channel. Did you do my wife's makeup, eh?
Finally!
Oh,
You know, I should charge you now.
I know.
I'm gonna charge you now.
So you're responsible, eh, for making
I'm
one.
gonna come on here.
Did you see Linga get married? Did you see her get married? Where are you? We're watching it. Big E in his outfit. It looks good. Dressed to impress? Who, Mum? What's he say?
He said I'm dressed to impress.
Oh, he's not wrong. Wifey's looking good. Bro,
Subscribe to the Vee Family.
you know the vibes, eh, brother? This is the allocated photo area, is it?
This is do what you can do with what you got.
Yeah, that's it. Look at that. Everyone's getting their photos in that. Message. Ezekiel, you okay now? You alright?
Hello, my darling.
out, Biggie. Doesn't muck around, mate. Just straight bread, pray, and let's ooge. Oh, brother. Solid. Cheers, brother.
Happy small delay. We are right on track for a lovely evening with the married couple. Just a couple of housekeeping items.
How's the starters?
Made myself a burger.
Is it good?
Big round of applause for best man, Bossy Alofa.
What do you reckon, Wayne? Was it good?
You know what time it is. You know what time it is. You know what time it is.
What is high, vai o fellow columna, o woma o te mai o mako kawainga. Sumai, kala au mai, sau kia mai. Kako patpakia nea fiatin pa moimoyo le fa.
These beautiful cake. And so that can we give a round of applause for these for your holidays. They are the service that you are attending. I want you to the cake.
They have two cakes, so they just cut the first one here. Now they're cutting the second one.
This is first dance of the evening, and then we'll open up and go down to all four. All of us.
You see Lengo? You see Lengo dancing? Is that Lengo? Awoya, awa. Easy. Wait.
Next up will
What
be
happened?
the
What
speech
happened?
of
The Lincoln tour. All the time. Yeah.
Let's go, Melly. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey, Bessa. Hi, Credence. Oh, that's so unfair. Yeah. Excuse me.
But let me tell you one question. Brother, as long as the wife is always right.
Let's go, Narissa! The kids are outside. Ezekiel's running amok over here. Careful, Ezekiel, you might fall. Eli, watch out for the camera.
The time, but just between me and my brother, you know, it was, I'm proud of the man you become. You know, not physically, that's just stating the obvious. You know, you're a good-looking lad, but you know, Ace used to be a really sick child when he was young. He was diagnosed with everything under the sun. But to see him come and pick the sun up and deadlift that sun, I'm proud of you, son. I just want to say, also, you know, from me to you, I love you, and you never had to question that. And yeah, I'm proud of you, and welcome Cherish to the family. Love you too, my sister, and God is good all the time.
Look, Ezekiel trying to pick up all the money. Look at him, look at him, look at him and his bum. Where's Ezekiel? Look at Ezekiel. Now we're gonna have to dismantle this cake, this beautiful cake. Before we let's have one look at it. Let's have one look at it before we dismantle it. Huh? We'll start wherever I tell you to start. What is it? That's so wide to get it. That's so wide to get it. More interview for you. The mains are out. Sheesh. Everyone having
Bring the whole thing down, yeah. Yeah. Be careful. Are you alright? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, nice. Nicely done, nicely done.
oh.
Natural lah.
Leo kufa keke re kua easy. This is the kufa keke of the part of the wedding. Yeah, the girls are ready. Six, eight, yeah, 8. There's nobody else out there.
I'll wait for mine.
20. Got anything to say now that you guys are married? See your ring, Lego. Yeah. Oh, wait a lot next. Yeah, the kids. Look at them, look at Ezekiel. He thinks he knows what he's doing. Look at him. That's mad, look at them. That brings back all childhood memories as a kid. Everything's going on and these guys are just having fun.
All the best, with blessings, with love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, gentleness, goodness of God to fill your marriage.
Time for a group photo. Time for a group photo. Last dinner with Mum's side before everyone leaves. We just came to Water Garden Hotel. Now we're just gonna try and take a quick photo of everyone. Yeah. Where are we standing? Oh, that side is nice. Yeah. Are you from where you are? To where? Yeah, I think I got everyone. Okay, it's on right now. Niva, can you Alofa? Nise. Oh yeah. Actually, you can stand on the side.